your presentation.
For the context and for the feature proposed, and the feature list is come from your research, something like that, very short, and then go straight to the feature list proposed.
Hi, did everyone see my screen?
Yes.
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 1 minute. Let me adjust a little bit. View, no view. Không cần thể no view. More option. Full screen.
Thấy
Just start with this time. She's like, okay. Then she's hope to come back after this point. Nam ơi, can you start?
Oh, yes, okay. So hi everyone, and thank you for the time today. So today we talk about some highlighted feature of the BOV website. I walk you through this through 4 area: the user experience, the CMS your team will work it every day, and the AI capability, and the geo layer that get BOV side by tool like ChatGPT or Google Gemini or AI. So let's start with everything we build. So first is a quick reminder of the 4 foundation every future type back to. So the student parent as a center, an immersion journey that drive action, seamless discipline across audience, and a
We
scalable
can see
branding for the future. Yes.
Your voice is a little bit hard to listen. So
skip it.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So about section 1. is a experience. You take you through this as a marketing funnel, how we reach the right people, have them explore, get them convert, and then measure everything. So about phase 1 is about reach. Is when reaching is about delivering the right message to the right traffic. So first important feature we build is a message match homepage. So the hero content can adapt to the ad search through the UTM. So if someone click a scholarship ad or from an email, they land to homepage that may be customized and speak related to scholarship, not a generic front page. So the message they click is a message they see. So second is cookie-based smart CTA. So cookie recognize returning visitor, like when a visitor, when in a second visit, we don't repeat the same CTA. We maybe show a higher intent, like book a consultant or return when you left off. So we meet them where they are in their decision. And 3 is a full source capture into CRM. So every UTM data or Google and Facebook ID ad everything will push into Salesforce. So that means you can measure true cost per lead by channel. Like you will know exactly which campaign are actually producing enrollment.
Right. Yeah. I talked this morning.
Yeah. Okay. So second phase is about when in explore phase, how visitor can discover and content in the website. So when they are here, Explorer is about letting visitors find the value for themselves. Like in one is a tuition enroll calculator. So this will answer the number one parent question directly, like how much is tuition or it is what it. Future 2 is AI semantic search. So it will typo tolerant, internal way, and bilingual. So visitor can find the right page, even the query imperfect. Like they don't need to know exactly programming name to get what they want. And 3 is personalized website language and navigation bar. So the site will load automatically in the visitor device language, like English for the English system and Vietnamese for Vietnamese system. And navigation bar also can support customize based on IP of visitor. Like if someone visit website from the foreign country, is maybe have some customized navigation, so it have feel local from the first second.
Okay, Nam, please.
Yeah, sorry, just two things. One, it
Yes.
needs to be a Chinese version.
Yes, we don't have Chinese version from the beginning, but the website support can scale up to like unlimited language in the future.
Oh, please take your note. Please take note and talk with us later.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. So it needs to be, ideally, we need a Chinese version for launch. And then on the tuition and ROI calculator, there is a reasonably big change of strategy. So I need to brief the team here on the change of strategy. There will be no scholarship estimate activity because there will be new pricing, new discount, no discounts, etc., etc. So we need the calculator, but we need to maybe push that
Modify.
and make it something that we last rather than do first.
Okay, so we can first we agree or we plan to develop it or not,
Correct.
and then we will save it into the second or yes.
Okay, thank you.
And also AI semantic search also.
Yeah. That's the point.
Oh, please go.
Okay, so third phase is about how we convert and capture the qualified lead. So there is a very critical part is our convert. So we want build features to less friction and more intent and design around how Vietnamese family and international student maybe can actually behave. So one is we build a multi-step form that capture lead even when they don't finish. We have a progress bar and step by step on school, maybe in scholarship journey, because I hear from SR teams a lot of lead is come from scholarship, but the scholarship form is very long, and if them don't finish all the steps, maybe we cannot catch that lead. So we build maybe in step one, we can capture name, email, and phone right at the step one. So if someone drop off halfway through, they already a lead. So maybe SR team can follow up directly, or we can remarketing later, so we can keep the data.
Question.
Yes.
How can SR team access to this information because they haven't completed the form yet?
The information is we in the technical you plan to push it to the Salesforce, but not in the fully. We create a separate form just to save the information like lead, like name, email, very simple information first, and after them finish full the form, it will still submit to the Salesforce scholarship data.
Yeah. So look, I think this is a complicated conversation because while the scholarship application form is complicated, the actual application form much more complicated. And the big issue is that we make people go to the website and then fill in a very complicated application form. So I think this is an idea very good, but I think I would focus more on working out how to make the application form from an auto-save perspective easier and drive the alerts, because I think what this needs, not only the auto-save, but when somebody's on the application form page, there need to be tips and hints. There's a video on YouTube that we can connect on how to fill in the application form, because the application form require us to get lots of document loaded from them. So the IELTS documentation, the school graduation documentation, ID, all sorts of things for the student, and then for the parent, bank finance details. There's a whole series of documents that in each step of the application you have to load up stuff. And so we have to just make sure that if they're loading it up through the website, it's then being stored in SITs. So if I come back to the application form, then if it's auto saved, it shouldn't necessarily let me know that I'm halfway through the process and I've only got 5 documents left to, to complete the application. So I think this needs a little bit more analysis from all of us.
Yeah.
Because at the moment the idea was that I thought the web page was going to be the front end for the Salesforce application form, and then all the data is saved in Salesforce, and then once it's completed, it can move sits. So we just have to work out how the data flow.
Yes. So I think we first on this meeting we agree on that direction, and team will design
that functionality. Yes, we have to work it out.
So team will have the more like in different sections. They will the presentation, including the IA, the design, actual designs, and how the design match with the data system in the backend. Okay, team, we can go to the next the sticky. Yeah.
So choose a smart preview form. So the prompt is also filled from the source page, and the country is detected via GeoIP. So every field can fill maybe has visitor less recent drop off.
Maybe they will take data from the web, the computer also, the browser.
Yeah, it also can fill data from the web browser saved already. 3 is a sticky click to call and flooding Zalo CTI. So the call is a exact channel Vietnamese parent very prefer. So we are not forcing them into just a like web form, but rather maybe just tap and call easily in the website. And 4 is a bot protection before a list is created. So we use CAPTCHA to and server-side validation to stop bot from the beginning. So maybe your sales team will spend time on the real data, not junk lead. And the final stage is about how we measure and how we optimize ad. So one is full event tracking. So all the website, GA4 and GTM. So we capture every meaningful event on the website. And 2 is we also include server-side conversion tracking, because this really matter more right now, because today a lot of users use ad block and browser tracking protection. So it means traditional browser servers current site tracking maybe lose data. So with Meta CAPI or Google Enhanced Conversion server-side tracking, is maybe have
support
with support.
form.
Yeah. So it will reduce the ad cost, and we have more data for ads and reduce ad cost. Yes.
All of it. Yes. All 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, you can move on to the next slide.
Yeah. Okay. So that is a visitor experience. So now let's talk about other side, the CMS, like the tool for the internet team use every day. So this how BOV team can create structure and govern every page. So one is every page can preview before publish. So we can see any edited page exactly as it look, and publish when it's ready. No surprise when going live. Two is like a block-based page builder. So we build a large library of ready-made and on-brand components, so editor can drag and drop to edit and build page. So no need developer. So that will speed and consistently at the same time. And about bilingual content management, we build English and Vietnamese and multi-language, even Chinese can manage it side by side. So translation status checking, so nothing will fall out.
Okay. All 6. That's fine. Next.
Okay. So there's some preview of like CMS for people when manage website. Yeah. And the section 3 is about everything talking about is about AI. So we build like first we build AI-friendly structured data. So every content is published in clean schema-rich format, and AI system can read, parse, and reuse. So there is a foundation of every AI future in the future. So I talked it before about this more detail about AI search with hypertolerant, internet-aware, and bilingual search. So that can understand what this mean. And in the roadmap in the future, we also can support like AI voice search. Like user can use voice-driven query and voice optimized content for hand-free and like natural language discovery. And an AI chatbot, agentic assistant that guide, qualify, and convert is ground in BUV or website content. And is that not a general bot? It can actually know BUV content. Yeah.
So why is that on the roadmap?
Yeah, true. That's the same question here.
Let's plan for the next play because
No. We planned a chatbot for the first release, and we said that we were going to spend money if we needed to get in to make sure that there was a chatbot at least. And then
Ah,
Hải
Yeah.
and
Hải
then
ơi,
phase two, we were going to have some kind of agent.
yeah,
because they make the misunderstand here is AI agent, right? Not chatbot. Chatbot is which we discussed before.
Yeah.
Nam.
Oh,
So
yes. There's a chatbot inside the website.
On this way, and next way is AI agent. You now to put the chatbot in the roadmap.
In this file we'll also make the first very first like chatbot can understand website, and in the roadmap in future we can upgrade it into like fully agentic, like can form or something. Like if user chat with the chatbot, maybe them also can cross like the contact form in the like or everything more complicated than normal chatbot. Yeah.
Okay. Please revise later. But now we clear about the roadmap, and this way we will have the AI chatbot first. So the price and the detail feature we discuss on the further after this the meeting.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Okay, next is section 4 is about GEO. So SEO is about ranking on Google, and GEO is about the answer the AI engine quad. So this is something we can do. Something is already in the scope is one is AI crawler explicitly allow. So we got the robot.txt. So it welcome every bot. So some site right now is maybe accidentally block all the bots. So we make sure the AI engine can actually read the BOV page. Two is readable and server render HTML. So we make a clean H1 to H3 structure, an element.txt guide, and a full sitemap. So every AI can read all the page and nothing get missed. Three is we build an entity schema in JSON LD. So every course, virtual faculty, and event, something will mark up as entity. So AI can know BOV faculty instead of guessing. And four, we build like answer for structured article. Like we build component, we build something like, because key answer place in the first 100 to show 100 word, and data table is exactly the like the format AI engine very prefer. Yeah. So
Recap on
it's
structure.
it's recap. Yes. So it's very clear and well structured. So it will help AI easy to read the website and size the website. Four, and the five is a ever quiz section. So the website in every article will have a ever quiz section. So it's ever quiz is a format like AI is very loved. So by we answering real question on the page and marking them up with ever quiz page schema, so it will help AI easy to crawl the website and show the website. And the sixth is we standardize every data and content API. So we will have a button like send to LLM. So AI agent can easily pull data from BOV website and very get ready for site, and user can easily ask question about the article if they need.
Question. Go, keep on. Yeah.
Okay, so there is some detail more about entity. So this diagram captures the core shift, like AI doesn't map just keyword. AI right now need map the relationship between the entity. So we make a BOV relationship with schema. We build schema markup so AI can connect everything easily. Like if we have a cost, so a cost will relate with a wedding body, or we have a faculty inside a course, and a lot of relationship need build carefully so AI can understand all the entity relationship of website. Yeah. And that something we can build in the future. This is not in the scope, but everything we build is like geo ready. But something for the future, we can also build geo optimize and geo manages over time. So it is some future we can build in the future together. So one is maybe a content and geo writing guideline. So it's a practical playbook of tone, structure, and schema rule. So maybe your writer can consistently produce AI-friendly and high-rank article. Two, we also can build a geo audit of the current website. So a full review of the life site will help us have data to optimize in the future. And three is an internal keyword and entity map. So we will mapping target keyword, user intent, and related article to guide comprehensive and AI search-friendly content. Four is a structured data template, like ready to use JSON LD snippet, so the editor can easily just paste in and mark up it correctly. Five is an AI visible monitor. We monthly checking of how often BOV is cited by ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI as a provider with trend report. And six, they also can produce the content, so we can write and produce content directly from the BOV or resource and material.
And then in the second, you mean like you can audit the new website occasionally, right?
On the our website.
No, firstly, we will audit our website first because we need have the current data first and compare with the new data after we release a new website and optimize yes in the future.
Yeah, all right. So I think we definitely need the content and geo writing guideline, and we need that soon. So as we start to do new content, we need. And then I would like to understand, you've mentioned ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI. Are there any others that we can monitor, like Claude, for example?
Yes, we will monitor. We can monitor a lot of AI provider, but some of our provider have like work different from others, so we need to choose this from the beginning together. Like what provider we need optimize for, like for ChatGPT, for Cloud or for Perplexity. We need choice first before we monitor.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So I think it'd be interesting to get a proposal for AI visibility. We can sit on the rest of them, I think, unless you want to do something else.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
So,
So I just want to double check about the new pricing strategy. So when it will reflect the final result.
As the website goes live, the new pricing will be on it.
okay. Cool. So that's all from the feature list today.
The new pricing, the plan at the moment is to announce new pricing publicly just before open day on October 4, 5, 6.
Successful. If the feature not ready, then we not add the component on the website. The feature will work different with the price. The price will update is only the content.
Right.
Yeah, the feature can develop later after the we launching. It's okay. And we define into phase to phase. Okay, so that's all from your team, right?
Yes. This is more detail about how measurement
so we-
about the CTL. This is normal data. That is that everything about the future list we talking about today. I also have a small question about the entity, about how the URL structure is not dictated too much about feature list, but maybe we need finalize before we finalize the EA, full EA. So I have a question about cost. Like currently, we propose like cost will inside a structure like industry, like in the inside undergraduate and inside industry, like example business management and cost detail. But based on institutional, we also have like academic school, like business school, graduate school. So what do you think is this the main priority for the URL, for the website? Yeah. For the cost. Cost need inside academic school or cost inside industry?
Well, what's the new navigation?
Can Nam để anh giải thích nhé.
Okay.
Because of the URL structure, not on the IA display. The structure of URL needs to go through the rule. The rule one is clear. Go to the cost. The rule.
Don't ask me.
Yeah.
You guys choose. Don't care. Make it work.
Okay. So I will choose. Okay.
Subject matter expert. Not me.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's on us. Okay, we will work on this, right?
Yeah, otherwise agency make recommendations, but you guys choose. Not technical, not me.
Because if we go to the cost on the back lại này. Option 1 is more like SEO and SEO or the market friendly, but the second one is more school friendly. Maybe
School friendly as in BUV school?
Yes.
Nah, market.
Okay, that's better.
Yeah, market better. Better customer experience. Don't care about internal BUV customer, care about external customer.
Okay, cool.
Always number one rule. Customer first.
You copy that, Nam?
What?
Yeah, so Nam, course, undergraduate business and management. So
Yes.
courses, not institutional.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. I get it.
Thank you.
You have any top level comment or something you need to add?
No, that's great. Yeah, so happy.
Okay, so
Go fast.
so we will keep moving forward.
Please.
And tomorrow we'll have the meeting about the look and feel later, right?
Yeah. So yeah, now we can wrap it up soon. Yeah, just I'll catch up with you later. Okay, Miss Hai, can you have something to ask Paul?
Wait. Để Nam mọi người release đã. Nam ơi, team có thể release rồi.
No, okay.
Thank you nhá.
Thanks, mate.
Thank you everyone.
Ôi,
Được rồi. How do you feel?
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, super happy.
chị ơi.
We will develop further. It's a feature, but here's a key feature.
Yeah. Perfect. Excellent. Happy.
Paul.
Yeah.
Her voice.
Okay.
No.
Hi. Can we keep you for 2 minutes to get your advice on something?
Yes.
The team. I asked the team to kick off the content preparation with the comms team this morning, and there was some back and forth discussion. So Hai just shared with me earlier before this meeting. So I think it may be better to get your advice. So the content is now with the comms team. The content on the website is now with the comms team. What I expect is that they will own it completely and go work with different departments who own different pages to finalize the content, and then based on the wireframe that we have approved, and then get back to us with the final content for final approval, review approval, and then upload on the website. But I think the current expectation of the of comms team is that we and Hai will be the one who coordinate with different departments. If that is a page that's owned by a different department, which I think is not very effective in terms of collaboration.
Yeah. Okay.
And
All right,
inconsistent.
I hear the problem, and I'm frustrated by the fact that we're still talking about a different part of the same marketing team not being part of the project team.
Yeah.
There is a project team currently being managed by Hai Lee to deliver a new website. There needs to be at least one, if not two people from within the comms team tasked with being part of the project team who work on content within the project team, not as part of the comms team. Make sense?
I understand, and that's why Phương Lê and Quỳnh Anh Do has been a part of the website team.
Yeah, but again, let's not talk about the fact that they're the comms team and the digital team. It's all one team. And I'm going to start to lose my shit a lot when we keep having these kind of team versus team conversations. So let's be really, really clear. My expectation is that there is a project team that has all of the subject matter experts that are needed to deliver the project in the team. Then the team work out how the team is going to get the project delivered. So in that context, I'm still waiting for you guys to tell me how we're going to manage content transformation, content cut and paste, and content development. There are three ways that we need to treat content. If there is a brand new element to the website or the web pages, and we have to write brand new content, that's one type of content. Then there's a ton of content on the website that needs nothing more than lift and shift. And then there's a ton of content on the website that needs review and updating. So pricing needs updating, right? Course content that is currently on the website, for example, for the brand new gaming BUV degree, has been just approved on the website and checked by everyone. So that would be a and paste, lift and shift, right? So in the context of a content review, my expectation is somebody in the team responsible for content who currently has a job working in the communications team full time, but is in the digital team at the moment working on the website, will be doing a bit of an audit, and we will be making some recommendation back to us about what is new, what is lift and shift, and what is polish and update. That is my first expectation around content. My second expectation is that if that's way too much content for us to try and rewrite and improve, then the second piece of strategy we need to have a conversation about is what are the most heavily used content pages currently on our website? Those are the ones that we start with, and then we work out to the pages that are the least used. So from a content priority perspective, we start with the pages that are the ones that are the most consumed, and then we work outwards from there. Those are my two senses of guidance that I can give you.
Actually, that is the exact. We had the same discussion earlier before this meeting, and that is exactly what we've discussed in terms of how we proceed with the content preparation.
But
Um,
how can I help at the moment in making sure that Fung Lei and the content lady are part of the team?
I think Haile, you should come back to the team to confirm with them what we've discussed with Paul right now. It is not that the comms team is supporting the website project. It is that the specific persons in the comms team has been assigned to the project team, and they have to be in charge of this as a part of the project team. Yeah, and then the way of working.
Yeah, like any other project that we're going to be running, right? There's a project team that's going to run the brand campaign. There's a project team that's going to run the event. The open day. There's a project team that's going to. So everybody needs to be part of the project team, right? Not 3 different departments working together on a project.
So I heard that we have Chinese version.
Sorry, just finish that conversation.
Okay. So we will talk later.
Yeah. So if you need me to have the conversation, but I said to, I've literally just had a quick catch up with Fung Lei and said, my expectation is that she and the new content person, that is the website content person that's in our new organizational structure, are actively working with you guys to get content underway. And we need to be considering that the business school is unlikely needing to be consulted about the content. So what I don't want to do is, if, for example, all of the course pages on the website at the moment, I'm going to assume the business schools are happy with that content, right? So in a RACI around content structure and content process, the business school is informed. This is your course content that is going to go from the old website to the new website, no changes being required. They get informed that, but they're not consulted, because if we send them a whole pile of course content and go, would you like to just confirm that this is what you want? And if you want to change it, then hey, how about you change it? We'll be here until fucking Christmas next year. So I don't want to ask the schools what they think about course content right now. So I agreed that with Fung Lei as an approach. So you guys need to be aware that I'm happy getting yelled at by a head of school if they want to change a course page. At the moment, they're not allowed to change it. We're just lifting and shifting it, right?
So I think this is what we do, Haile, in the list of pages that we discussed earlier. In the content preparation template, we will have a RACI for each page content as well.
Yeah,
as a guideline.
Content, the consult people, ASA, and legal, or just ASA, the inform business school, the accountable. Right? So, but for alumni stories and or brand videos, obviously different RACI, right? So let's just be be clear about that. But it's a lot of work, and so we need to get started on it. But also, from my perspective, I'm happy for us to go and focus on everything is lift and shift, unless there's a very good reason why. And most of the website content is course content anyway, so that's probably the largest proportion that doesn't need to change, in my opinion.
Yeah.
The only issue that we need to be aware of, and Hai, you and I talked about this already, we've got 5 more courses that we're going to launch with Manchester Met, and they have to they're all new courses, and we need to get all of the course material approved by the schools for those 5 new courses going on the website for launch. So that's the only new bit of course content, right?
Yeah. Can you alert everyone in the new program launch committee that we will need it by the end of July or latest early August?
Yeah.
First week of August.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I think the digital team will prepare some guideline in terms of content. What are the steps we're going to take? What are the template and guidelines? And RACI, and then we should have a meeting to kick off the content preparation part, because it's a huge workload, and we need to align on a way of working so that there's no hiccup on the way, especially when working with external departments.
So I think we're cool with this because we will divide the content into the 3 batch. First batch is the must-have content on the website. The second batch is the content which we need to work with other department, and the third batch is the rest. And I will directly work with the different team on the batch too.
No, Thái ơi, Hải. You develop that first. You develop that as a guideline first. We look
Yeah, okay.
through it, and then we discuss what is the next step. Yeah,
Okay,
we
clear.
have to have a guideline first. Yeah. Okay.
Perfect. Any help I can give you, please just ask. Happy to do that. But my expectation is that who's the lady that's the content kick that we've identified? Sorry, remind me of her name. Hi.
It's Quỳnh Anh, who has been in charge of website content.
Yeah,
But
great.
it seems that Phương will involve other comms member into the content preparation as well.
Yeah,
I
if
just
they've
heard
got,
this morning.
yeah, okay. So if they've got capacity, so Fung Lei does not need to be actively involved. We just need a content that's going to lead and follow the instruction that we're going to create.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you for that.
Okay. Easy
Okay,
peasy.
that's it. Yeah.
No worries. Wonderful.
For the Chinese, I think I will ask you later. Maybe the Ting will prepare, right?
No. Just translate, and then we get Ting. So
Yeah, we can translate. But
yeah, Ting sign off. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Or we pay some Chinese company to do it for us.
Yes.
Think about that.
For Chinese, we've been using a translation agency. No, a translation agency for that. And Ting will do the proofread.
Okay. Perfect. Yes.
Thank you, everybody. Hey, hi. Feel better?
Yeah.
Talk to you.
Yeah, talk to you soon. See you guys.
Take care. Bye.
Bye. Chị ơi,
Trước khi là nó cái line này là nó sẽ
chính là cái
Sorry. Chị.
dạ, là cái
Nói
content
đi em.
guideline. Cái guideline này là chị đang nói đến cái content matrix lúc nãy của mình đúng không?
Cái guideline và cái matrix này, bọn em put all together và chia thành 3 cái section như bọn em đang propose, được chưa?
Và cái
Tóm lại là bọn em phải có cái gì trong tay đi đã, sau đấy set up một cuộc họp cho chị. Cuộc họp đấy phải có Paul và cuộc họp đấy có Phương. Để làm gì? Để clear cái point rằng là someone from Phương team phải là một cái phần một nhân tố của cái task force này. Và bọn em as a project lead, bọn em sẽ assign việc cho bạn đó với cả cái guideline hướng dẫn cụ thể, chứ không phải là mỗi lần giao việc cho bạn đó thì lại phải đi qua Phương, hiểu không?
hiểu ạ.
Và project lead ấy sẽ là là cái team cuối cùng review tất cả mọi thứ, hoặc là bọn em sẽ delegate lên cho chị hoặc là cho Paul để mà approve. Bọn em sẽ là người quyết định cái việc đó, được chưa?
Thế thì
Nhưng
bây giờ
mà
em
Phương phải cử Quỳnh Anh ở trong cái task force này và bọn em giao việc trực tiếp cho Quỳnh Anh, chứ không phải mỗi lần cần thì lại đi order, lại đi request với Phương. Và mọi thứ Phương đều cần review. Bác nói rõ rồi đấy, Phương không cần phải involve nhiều.
ok, thế thì bây giờ cái flow sẽ là em set up chuẩn bị cái material này, xong em pick up member đấy, là một member từ team 1 đến 2 member từ team Marcom và từ team Com và một member từ team Creative nữa để review về mặt design. Tất cả những cái thông tin đấy thì sau khi mọi người review thì em sẽ là người proof trước, sau đó thì em sẽ đẩy lên
Em sẽ cần cái quy trình approve như thế nào thì em làm timeline đi, xong em gửi quên em làm cái quy trình đi, xong rồi em share lại với chị. Em sẽ cần một của team creative, một bạn của team brand, một bạn và gọi là đại phụ trách content của team comms. Thì cái đấy Phương này sai cho một người hay 2 người là tùy Phương, nhưng phải có một người như vậy ở trong cái task force. Và project lead sẽ giao việc trực tiếp cho người ở trong task force mà không cần phải cái gì cũng đi qua Phương. Tương tự như vậy team creative cũng như thế.
em phải thích người gọi là fully cho cái delegate luôn cho cái này đấy, nên là
Thì đương nhiên rồi, whoever ở trong cái task force này thì sẽ phải fully engage, làm sao mà lúc thì thích thì làm, lúc thích thì thôi. Mình sẽ có một cái timeline rất là clear và các bạn phải meet được cái timeline đó. Được chưa? Và xong rồi setup, chuẩn bị những cái đấy xong rồi setup cuộc họp. Được chưa? Để align way of working, align các cái priorities của phần content, align cái cách chuẩn bị content như thế nào, align cái cách sẽ phối hợp với các cross department để chuẩn bị content như thế nào, và align cái cách internally mình sẽ work với nhau như thế nào để chuẩn bị content. Được chưa?
Vâng.
Thì set up một cái meeting như vậy đi cho bọn, song song đấy thì bọn em chuẩn bị cái material đấy như chị vừa mới nói nhá.
Vâng, ok.
Ok, thế nhá.
Vâng, thank you chị. Chị.